15 plus gadgets to have in your bedroom to make it better for 2023. In today's day and age, technology has become an important part of our life. As it improves, it also improves our quality of life. As gadgets get more and more advanced by the day and help us in every aspect of our daily life, making our lives easier. As the involvement of gadgets increases, we all want the best gadgets in the market appropriate for our use. Here are 15 plus gadgets for your bedroom which help you to improve your mood and make it fun to stay in. Number 1. Gray-Vent Motorized Shades. This is one of the best gadgets on the list. The Gray-Vent motorized shades are the perfect blend of style and function. With this, you can finally get rid of the annoying codes that are always in the way. Not only does it make your bedroom more pleasing, but also the energy-saving benefits as a result of the thermal insulation. Installation of the shades is also an easy process. Once it is set up, you can control it from the comfort of your bed. You can also schedule the opening and closing of the shades, and the gadgets will do it for you. Number 2. Capstone Touchscreen Smart Mirror. Everybody has at least one mirror in their bedroom. A mirror is an important aspect of a bedroom. What if it is smart? What if it has touch control? Yup, there is a mirror that is smart, which runs on Android and has a speaker and touch control in the market. Its name is Capstone Touchscreen Smart Mirror. Because it uses Android, apps can be installed in the mirror. It comes with a clean OS, so there will be no useless apps and bloatware in their mirror. Note that apps that use gyroscopes and other sensors will not work in this mirror. With all these features, the mirror is on the thin side. Number 3. Yescom LifeSmart LED Smart Hexagon Touch Lights. This is one of the coolest gadgets on this list. The Yescom LifeSmart LED Smart Hexagon Touch Lights is a DIY LED light kit that contains 10 light blocks and a tabletop base. In addition to that, this kit contains 10 wall-mounting bases which are highly flexible. This light can produce a vast range of colors which can be controlled using Wi-Fi. Due to the high flexibility of the mounts, they can be arranged in various ways which can improve the lighting and ambience of the bedroom. It is equipped with a touch, smartphone as well as voice control with both Google Home and Amazon Alexa. The colors of the light will change by the sound it senses. Having these gadgets in the bedroom will help in elevating the bedroom to another level. Number 4. Magnetic Levitating Lamp with Wireless Phone Charger. This is ridiculously cool tech. The magnetic levitating technology is not new, but the base of the lamp comes with a wireless phone charger, which makes it more useful. This levitating lamp has two key parts: the lamp holder and the bulb. You power on the device and suspend the lamp near the holder. The bulb floats without any support or contact and uses the maglev technique. The bulb is powered through the air via magnetic induction, and lights are controlled by the touch button on/off on the base. The lamp has a metal body, making it look decent on any table. Having this gadget will give your bedroom more of an aesthetic look and give your bedroom more style. Number 5. Levitating Plant Pot. This is a gadget used to give your bedroom a more aesthetic vibe and give more dimensions to your mood and style. The levitating port is uniquely designed and attractive, which helps in amplifying the overall vibe of your bedroom when you look at the pot from different angles. Its aesthetically pleasing novelty design shines out. This is credited to Resign, the primary material used by Babbouk's manufacturers. On the base, patented magnet coils and sensors suspend and rotate the pot in midair. Using the coils requires you to connect the unit to a power supply. The electrical current will set magnetic activities that will lift the pot. The only downside of this unit is that it will not operate when the power goes off. Having this levitating port in your bedroom will help you to improve your mood and give a pleasing view to your eyes. As such, this gadget will be a great asset to your bedroom. Number 6. Tree of Light Modern Desk Lamp. The Tree of Light is a bedside lamp. It is not just a regular bedside lamp, but a cool gadget that is pleasing to the eye and comes with a Bluetooth speaker and a wireless charger. This lamp will make a cool addition to your bedroom. This lamp will help you to improve your bedroom aesthetics and give the limited overlook to a bedroom. Number 7. BedJet 3 Climate Comfort Sleep System. What will you do if your bed is too cold or hot to sleep in? Like most of us, you will turn on the AC, but still, it takes time and energy. But what if there's a solution for this? Yes, this gadget, BedJet 3, is your solution to this problem. BedJet 3 is so compact that it fits under your bed, installs in minutes, and most importantly, works with your existing bedding. With its dual ventilation system, you can cool half of the bed while heating the other half. This feature would be very useful for couples. Controlling the humidity also helps reducing sweating. I think BedJet 3 is a useful thing to have in your bedrooms. Number 8. Nuzzle Pillow. This is a gadget that helps you to get a better sleeping experience. This is one of the best pillows that are available in the market. This pillow is designed using Space Astro technology for giving you better sleep. It allows you to customize your sleep for every sleeping position. Nuzzle Pillow is comfortable, and it is made with nanocoil that helps relieve stress and pain for a better sleep. It has temperature regulating technology, a removable outer shell, and 3 different sleeping options. Number 9. Air Omni Charging Station. It is a multi-purpose charging station that can charge 6 devices at the same time. It is very lightweight and aesthetically pleasing. It has a convertible Type-C and Lightning connector, so it is compatible with the iPhone as well as Type-C supporting devices. Everything is fast charging. It can only charge the Apple Watch but supports both Samsung and Apple earbuds. The QI wireless charging surface can power up to 10 watts and the regular wired output is 18 watt speedy charging. This 6-in-1 charging hub is a wonderful gadget for Apple users. Number 10. Astro Mini Fridge. What if you need to drink something cold in the middle of the night? Wouldn't you hate to get up from your bed and go to the kitchen to make some mee from the fridge? Astro Mini Fridge is the solution to your problem. It is a portable 4-liter fridge for skincare, beverages. This compact fridge answers many needs. This gadget is great for ladies to store their beauty products, road trippers, etc. It can cool up to 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 18 to 22 degrees Celsius. Warm up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 66 degrees Celsius. Number 11. Town Neo T1 Smart Trash Can. We all have trash cans in our bedrooms. The Town Neo T1 is a smart trash can that has the good build quality and is pleasing to the eyes. Having this gadget in your bedroom will give the room a more beautiful look. This is a self-sealing and self-changing smart trash can. It has motion-sensing lid, 4-gallon in capacity, a rechargeable battery, and biodegradable refills available. Number 12. CYNC Smart Toggle Switch. It is a gadget that will make your ordinary light bulbs into a smart lights. For upgrading your light bulbs to smart with the help of Smart Toggles Switch, you don't need a lot of money because it is affordable and easy to install. You can easily install this smart switch by yourself or with the help of a professional. It is a DIY project. By simply adding your smart switch to your Alexa or Google Home ecosystem, you can control your lights even when you're away from home. Apart from that, you can set schedules so that your lights turn on and off automatically. And that's not all, you can even group switches and bulbs so that you turn them together from a single switch. Number 13. Mars Pro Bluetooth Speaker. This will be a cool addition to your bedroom. If you need to listen to audios in your bedroom, Mars Pro is the way to go. Not only is it just a Bluetooth speaker, but its design will act as an aesthetically pleasing object in your bedroom. It features a zinc alloy metal body, so if you're holding it, you can feel how luxurious it is. 3 legs fold and lots of LED lights in and around the speaker. On the top, there is a touch volume slider and some control buttons. Number 14. Amber Mug 2 Smart Mug. The Amber Mug 2 is a temperature-controlled smart mug. Keeps your drinks at the perfect temperature from the first sip to the last drop, so you can savor every moment. This will help you to keep your morning coffee at the perfect temperature for you. It is phone control, customizable LED, 1.5 hours of battery life, and a perfect temperature range. You can use your phone to control the temperature of the mug just by simply downloading the Amber app. Number 15. Morphe Meditation and Sleep Assist. This is Morphe, a meditation and sleep assist that helps you sleep well through meditation practice. Morphe is a wireless device and has a battery backup of around 10 days, which is great. It has different meditation modes and time durations that can be chosen before you begin. The keys are like old school alarm clock keys. This will be a good addition to your bedroom. Number 16. PlayStation Icon Light. It is a cool asset to your bedroom. It will help to give your bedroom more of a fun vibe. It features the classic PlayStation controller button symbols on a sleek black base, making it the ideal piece of decor for any bedroom or gaming cave. It offers multiple lighting settings and glows in 4 different colors. This is a list of gadgets that will help you to increase your mood and makes your bedroom more fun to stay in. Having some of these gadgets in your bedrooms will help to elevate your room's aesthetics.